welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a crunchy slime. Let's get to it. The materials you need for this crunchy slime is a fork or different utensil, a bowl, activator, I'll be using Tide, glue, I'll be using Elmer's school glue. You will also need some food coloring and beads or foam balls. Let's get started. So the first step is to add in your glue. After you've added your glue, you can pick your food coloring, and I'll be making a mint green color. So add 1 drop of green for this and 1 drop of blue. Then use your utensil and mix. After you've added your food dye, you can add some of your activator and pour a little bit at a time. And then mix. Now you can take it out of the bowl and mix with your hands. Now get your beads or foam balls and place them in your bowl. Once you have added a couple, you can get your slime and dip it in there. And then use your hands to mix it all together. Like that. Now I'm going to mix it all together. And now it's very crunchy and it feels really cool with all the beads in there. And if you want it even more crunchy, you can add even more beads, or if you're using foam balls, in that case, even more foam balls. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!